All right. Ashutosh, what's the sense that you get? Because the sense one gets at the moment is that the opposition, in particular the Congress, is trying to reinvent their strategy around the whole Samvidhan debate, as was done in the run-up to the Lok Sabha elections and then subsequent Haryana and Maharashtra elections. And we've seen how that's really not yielded results for the Congress party. So what's the agenda really here?
See, it is, as my learned friend just now said, it is really strange at this stage. First of all, I think, the Constitution in itself is a great, achievement of all our leaders earlier who made it. But I think it should not be politicized. Politics, in terms of Constitution of this country, is something I don't think people would agree. They would really want it to be better for the people, for the social justice, for the economy of the country, for the betterment of the people. That is okay. That is all fine. But just to make it as an agenda of of politics, that is something I don't think the citizens would like
But
it to
who's made it a
happen.
political agenda, if I may ask? Who's made it a
That's
political agenda?
so that's what, if somebody says that there has to be 2 days discussion, there has to be something discussion on what, on a discussion should be on what is the aim
Yeah.
and objective of such discussion, that has to be clarified. If it is something that they want to see, because there have been many judgments of the Supreme Court that the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be changed, that we are fully aware of, that the Constitutional Bench itself has decided in many of its cases earlier also, and the same has been repeated by the Supreme Court, that yes, if there are certain changes or amendments which are in the benefits of the people at large, and it does not at all affect the basic structure, then it is fine. Otherwise, any such changes are not at all
Okay, is it a time
permissible.
buying tactic?